You know what? I lost my GoPro in the bus. I don't know what to do, I don't know what to say. My brain is messed up. There, my video of the last day of Brazil, Uyuni Desert videos. What can I say? I'm walking down the main street of Bolivia. I try with my cell phone, okay? Okay, now it's the entrance of the market of the witch. I can feel why it's called witch's market. It's really hard to breathe. Altitude sickness. I thought they are real people. I felt like beaten. Someone's gazing at me. Yeah, it's kind of a traditional market. But I think it looks similar the markets in Uyuni. So many llamas. And next to the witches market, here's a San Francisco church. Should I say cathedral or church? Anyway. Feels like antique traditional buildings and modern buildings are together. It's cool. I just bought one fruit yogurt or I don't know. I have no idea how to eat this. It's not straw, it's spoon and it's full. How can I open this top? The motion of signal is so smooth like butter. Now I'm heading to Plaza Murillo. It's like a president's house and plaza. And it looks like Myeongdong again, like Korea. This kind of street, every city has this kind of street. I'm here, National Art Museum and Plaza Murillo. Looks good. Looks so nice, peaceful, good weather. That I think the most important thing. So many pigeons here, and people are enjoying feeding pigeons. So in Korea, it's really a problem, but here it's maybe a culture, and some pigeons are resting under the shadow. 나 이거 나홀로 집에서 봤는데. Do you remember Home Alone? Home Alone's cabin. Pigeons are climbing up the person's shoulder. Oh my gosh. Here is Bolivian president house. It's called palace. Anyway, I wanna try if I can enter. So now I entered here. I think I can't go deep inside, but anyway, I can see many things here, like our president before. This place is nice, but I think there's no place I can go anymore. Now it's another cathedral. Now it's another cathedral, Metropolitana de La Paz. I don't have religion, but I don't know. I always come to cathedral when I visit another country. I ordered one stromboli and normal pizza with Coke, but I thought it must be so small because it's so cheap, but so big. How can I eat this all? It's like this cave car is everywhere in the city. The bad thing is today is too cloudy, so I wanted to take a sunset video, but only I can take is just daytime and night view. I think Bolivia is okay to walk alone at night for adult guys. I don't say it's so secure and safe, but it's much better than Brazil, I think. There's no pickpocket, no robbery. Yeah.